Hello, 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 ha, it's Elizabeth, and today I'm going to be sharing with you my conditioning workout routine for dance. Grab your workout clothes and let's get started. Let's begin with a warm-up and some cardio. Starting off with turning jumping jacks. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Switch. 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 1. Switch. 1. Switch. 1. Switch. 1. Switch. 1. Right into 16 high knees. And now to 16 butt kicks. Now we're going to move into 16 skater jumps. We're finishing off the cardio segment with 8 burpees. You can do this. Great job. We're moving on to work our legs. We're going to do 8 sumo squat pulses. Pop your right heel, 8 more right here. Now your left heel, 8 more. Now both 8 more. Really hold your core here. Keep breathing. We're going to move into 16 jumping lunges right here. Halfway. Great job. We're going to do jumping squats now, 16 of them. Push through it. Halfway, keep it up. This is the hardest point. Push through. Time to work our calves with calf raises, 16 parallel. I'm keeping my hands on my hips and keep your core and upper body engaged. Now turn your feet out to first position. We're going to do 16 more right here. Now shake it out a little bit and get set up. We're going to do some straddle leg lifts. We're doing 4 on the right, 4 on the left, and then 8 all together. Let's go with the right side now. Now the left side. Finish off our leg work with both legs. Now get set up on your back. We're going to do some quick glute work. We're doing 8 bridges, and then with the last one, hold it at the top, squeezing your muscles. And now this time, squeeze it right at the top, really working, engaging your muscles here. Slowly lower, still engaging your muscles, and we're going to flip over and work our back muscles with Supermans now. We're going to do 16 of these. And that's 16. Now we're going to move into a push-up position. We're going to start arms by doing 16 push-ups. Halfway, keep up the great form. Now walk your hands in a little bit and hold your abs tight. We're doing 16 shoulder taps. Flip around, and it's time to go into tricep dips. We're going to do 16 here. Try not to let your hips dip down too low when you do these. Halfway, you're doing amazing. Now we're going to stand up and do an arm workout sequence. Start by holding your arms out strong beside you. Really engage your back while you do this, holding for 8 right here. Down, up for 8. In and out for 8. Up and down for 8. Hold. We're holding for 8 right here. Slow circles for 8 forwards. Pulsing for 8. Slow backward circles for 8. Now hold. This is your last 8 for arms here. Really push through, feel it in your arms, and drop them. Now we're going to move into some abs. We're going to start with 16, 8, 4, 2, 1 crunches, going middle, right, and left. Ready, go. Middle, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, and middle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and left. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and front. 2, 3, 4, and right. 2, 3, 4, and left. 2, 3, 4, and center. 2, and right. 2, and left. 2, and front, and right, and left. Great work on that set. Now we're going to work on our obliques with 8 bicycles. Okay, now lay all the way down and we're going to do some butterfly kicks. Straighten your legs. Let's do 8 to the top. 1, 2, 8, and down. 2. Good. Now we're almost done with the workout. Sit up and we're going to do 8 lemon squeezers. You can set your legs down. 8 Russian twists. Breathe here. Now we're moving into boat pose. Get both your legs up, really squeeze, 16 pulses. You can come down, and now we're going to finish it off with a plank. This is the last part of your workout here. Get up and really squeeze work here. Check to see that your glutes and abs are engaged and really breathe. You're almost done. When you finish this workout, it's a great opportunity for you to go through my stretching routine, which will be linked down below. And that concludes your workout. Thank yourself for working hard. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy fitness videos, give this one some love by hitting the thumbs up button. Comment down below what your favorite way to stay active is. And don't forget to subscribe to join the fun and click the notification bell so you don't miss when I post my next video. I'll see you then. Mahalo!